Hey guys, Jake and Stacy here today. We want to talk about our different bubbler and filler spout offerings.
All right, first let's start with our B1 Bubbler. This is a bubbler we've had for years. Metcraft's had it around for probably 20 years, so I've seen it out there quite a bit. If you need to replace anything, this is probably what you're replacing. You do mount these with an upward arcing water stream, so you can drink out of it like a drinking bubbler or wash your hands. It does have a 3/8 inch female mounting connection for the water supply, and we do have a 10 o'clock and 4 o'clock mounting location to attach it to the backsplash if you're looking at the backsplash.
So to go along with that, we also have our B2 bubbler, which is basically the same exact thing as the B1, but it does come with a 12 gauge stainless steel mouth guard that blocks the spout. Moving on from that, we have our B1H Bubbler. So this starts our ligature resistant side of things. This is going to be, again, an upward facing stream, so it can be used as a drinking fountain or as a way to wash your hands.
I'll do the B3H. This is a filler only, so it's pointed down. So these bubblers cannot be turned over and flipped upside down. This has to face down. Again, hemispherical design for ligature resistant, no tie points. On this one, we do have a variety of mounting locations on the back to replace some of our competition's bubblers if needed. But again, it's a backsplash mount, has a 3/8 female connection in the back for the water connection.
So next we have our B5H series bubblers. So these come in two different options. Both of these are for deck mount applications. The first one doesn't have a shank, so it's made for mounting on thinner material. The other one has a long shank that would go through a countertop for application like that. These both have hemispherical design, so they are considered ligature resistant.
These also have the 3/8 female connection to use our 3/8 by 1/2 inch compression if you're using our Metcraft pneumatic valve. Move on down to our B5 spout. We used to use this on most of our handicap fixtures back in the day. Like now we've kind of gone away from that and used the more ligature resistant design for our bubblers there, but this is still available. It uses a 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch compression adapter with a few other fittings, but this is a good for, say, a park on a lavatory or something. If you need a little more water flow with an aerator, we have an option for that as well. We'll finish up with our service sink spout. Jake?
So these are our B4 service sink spout. We have two different options here, one with a spray nozzle and then one with a garden hose attachment, so you can screw in a small garden hose and use the spout that way.
These have a little different water connection. We have a 1/2 inch female connection on these. We would use our 1/2 inch male by 1/2 inch connection adapter for use with our pneumatic valve, and it's a good option to have. So appreciate y'all hanging out with us today and looking at our bubbler.